out there, Catherine? We're gonna start on your truck. Actually, we've been working on it. Little bits here and there. Had to wait for parts, you know that. But anyway, there she is, she's in the shop. There's your engine. Now don't worry about the valve covers. We're not leaving them. This is your engine after I painted it up. I went with the red paint you wanted. And your black accents. Alright, so your valve covers will be changed. There it is. It's your new engine going to be going in. And as you can see, the truck is inside. And today, what are we doing? Well, look, we won't get all this done today. This is probably a few days, couple days, but that is everything that we need to start that side. So away we go. Now, I'll show you what else is going on here. Okay, so what else we got going on is a 62 Ford pickup. As you can see, got it off the frame. Frame is going to be blasted. Now this gentleman, I don't know if you remember in the past videos, the same as what we're doing with the Chevy here. He's keeping all the patina look. Not changing nothing there. But the frame has got Mustang rack and pinion and a newer diff, like a big Ford 9-inch and all that kind of stuff. So he's running a Chevy 6-liter in it, I believe. I don't know, automatic transmission, probably the 480. But anyway, be cleaning the truck underneath, get a look at her. You can see we did all the front floors, Mike did I should say, and cab mounts. Good job. Speaking of rust repair and what Mike's working on, I know I just showed you this, but showed you it a minute ago and it was all together, and now look at it. Yeah, it's a little worse than we thought. A little worse than we thought here. You never know until you dig into them, you know, you can't just patch something in these corners because they hold the door up. You got to at least fix this area right. But you can see it's got the first piece ready to rock and roll. Your hinge pocket there. So yeah, she's a little rusty. Like I say, we're only dealing with the rust in the front corners. It needs cab corners and it needs some door repair, but that's minor for right now. This is the worst of it. I mean, look at the driver's side. That is the worst of it. So you deal with this first. And of course I cleaned this frame. Look at the frame. I got it just spotless clean. From the firewall forward anyway. I put the old oven cleaner on there and pressure washed that sucker 3 times. And it is ready to go. Just going to rattle can it. Flat black frame. Just rattle can it. The old trusty rust paint's good enough. You know, there's the other bits and pieces to her motor, which I got covered up over there. So that's going on. The Mercedes, not much to show you in the Mercedes. Let's see here, I pulled all the dash out of it now. Got all the dash ripped out. And, well, there's the frame for the Ford pickup right there. All dismantled. Waiting to go for blasting. And the Mercedes, there you go, I got the dash out. Because the dash has to have all the paint and bodywork done. Look at that mess of wiring. God, I laid under there for half a day to get that out. But it is what it is, right? I didn't want to just start disconnecting wires and leave them lay everywhere and not know what's going on. So, gotta do it proper. Gotta do it proper. Suburban over there. It's in final primer from the firewall back. And then the 68 Camaro. Been here forever. Where are you, Brent? Come on, dude. What are we doing with this thing? Let her rip. Winter's coming. Winter's coming. We gotta get on her. We gotta get her done. Bring the heavy loot. Anyway, we're having fun. We're having fun. We're working away. Everything is good. Probably not as full as you're used to seeing here. Times are tough right now, and some people have slowed down on their fun things, right? Building their cars. But we're still staying busy. We got 7 projects on the go, so we're still doing good. It's all good, and I've got 3 more coming in. 3 more new ones for you. So you have to stay tuned and watch for them. And anyway, I'm going to continue cleaning this up, as you can see, underneath. And that's that. So hey, it's always a good time at old time. Oh, and someone said, where's the Model A? Well, let me show you. You know my new Beer 30 room? Well, what would be more appropriate than a bar in your room? Along with, ta-dum, Alright, And room ain't done. Got to do all the insulation, got to do the walls, got to do everything. But it's dry. See that? The old girl fits right in there. The old girl just fits right in. So that's it. She's awaiting to be on the road next spring. And, hopefully over the winter we get some more interior work done. I'd like to at least get the door panels done next. Door panels and kick panels would be nice next. That'd be nice. I'll work away on it. And like I say, over the winter you're going to slowly watch us as we work on this room. We're not going to do nothing fancy in here. Just, you know, put some plywood up, some insulation, and paint it white and jam the walls full of cool 50s shit. Okay, now, that's been said. Hey, it's always a good time at old time. We'll catch you next time.